welcome back to another video. Car vlog. Our first car vlog for this year. It's so good to see you, girl. Hey, girl, hey. Okay, so listen. Girl, look at these lashes. Oh. I'm giving big lashes right now. Anyway, I am headed to, I got a couple errands to run. I have 2 places that I need to go. We're going to Bath and Body Works. Not a place I frequent, but that's where we're going because me, Minx, and Red are doing a Valentine's mystery gift box, right? So we had to pull names and you have to buy your person up to $50 worth of stuff, right? So I know my person likes Bath and Body Works, so that's where I'm gonna go. And since I'm in there, I might as well look for myself, you know. And where else I want to go? I kind of want a new comforter, like a whole new comforter, pillows, you know, like a winter treat. But I don't know if I feel like doing that part of it. I don't feel like I don't know if I have enough oomph. Yeah. I'm doing good to be doing this. Like, seriously. Seriously. I just get to the point, I don't even want to be out, y'all. I would rather be sitting at home. I hope you're doing great. I really hope that your year is off to a great start. I don't even know what today's date is, but I hope your year is really starting off on a good foot. And if it's not, then we need to fix that. We need to fix it so that it is on a good foot. Auntie's orders, okay? I've been seeing Sephora's in certain Kohl's. And there's a Kohl's where I'm going. I kind of want to go in there and see if they have a Sephora counter in this Kohl's. Okay, y'all, so I ended up going to Target as part of one of my little errands, right? Let me show y'all what I got to go ahead and fix up my my tiered tray coffee station area. That's the only thing I'm decorating, y'all, is that tiered tray, that coffee station area. Hold up, let me show y'all what I got. I'm so excited. It's the little things, you guys. The little things. Okay, look. Let me show you all my stuff. Oh God, I gotta get down on the floor. So I found these because we did need some new oven mitts, and these are cute. They go with it. They go with it. I got me a charger. Look at this. So can't nobody be like, that's my charger. Because my daughters will come over here, y'all, and leave with my charger and swear it's theirs. They don't have a charger like this. Okay? So this is mine. They had these cute little jars. I think they put these out every year, though. With the little heart top. These are so cute. Look at that. That's so cute with the little top. Oh, it's cute. And then I got this one. Yeah. Yeah, how do people be recording with one hand? Hey, y'all are geniuses. This one. And then there is a big one. I figure I could use this one for the K-cups. Right? It's a whole little vibe right there. And then, of course, we can't have our coffee without some cute mugs. This is so cute. Look at that. Yes, all you need is love and coffee. And then this one is just, come on, the struggle. Sorry, y'all. Auntie's back. This is so cute. Look at that. Oh. And then I got these too. So I can have a little bit of a rotation, since we're going to be back doing our little coffee chat and all that jazz. This is cute. Oh, that's cute. And then, wait, this one, it only has writing on this side. So you're my person. Ron tells me that all the time. You're my person. Look at that. That's just cute. And then I got these to-go cups with little hearts on them. I thought this was cute. We're always here playing games. So this is a cute little addition. And I think the tic-tac-toe also came in, either the letters are red or the white little tray thing is red, I think. Or pink. I can't remember, y'all. But anyway, this is just cute to just have in your game pile anyway, you know? So got that. What else did I get? Oh, yes. They have the best tiered tray fillers. This is just a little cupcake, glass little cupcake thing. Perfect for the tiered tray. Look at this, a slice of pie, cake of some sort. Great filler, and it's a nice size, so you don't even have to do like a lot. But I like to have my tiered trays overloaded. I got this for the coffee bar. I got this. What is this even? Let's open it. Hold on, y'all. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Let me get my finger in it. Oh, gosh. I swear I don't know how y'all people be vlogging with one hand. This is like some sorcery. Oh, okay. Yes, this is cute. What does it say? Okay, how do you film that? We go together like cream and sugar. Okay, that's so cute. And then this one was in there. This a little love sign. That's so cute. Beautiful filler for the coffee tray. And then this little wooden, I love you a latte. I love you a latte, family. And last but not least, in my little tier tray pile, they had, I want to go back and get another one of these. This is like a little old-fashioned glass popcorn machine. And the lid does come off, so I'm going to use this to put something in. But they also have these in white. I actually got this stuff a couple days ago, y'all. That Target doll spot probably is cleared out. Oh, I hate I didn't. But anyway, they have these in white too, and I just thought it was so cute. And it goes with the theme of it all. Then I got me some goldfish because when my grandkids come over here, y'all, and they mamas pack them some goldfish snacks, I'm in their snacks eating these. Yeah, I go in their little snack bowl and I eat all their goldfish. I'm not even lying. That's how much I love these. So I got those just because I got them for her. I got them all because of this beauty. That is the cutest little girl to me. That's why I got those. And let me rip this bag open and show you. Ain't that cute? That is just so cute. I'm so festive. So I got these Valentine's M&Ms and peanut to go into the jar. And then I also, oh wait, and then I got this too. Cupcake. Oh, this is so cute. Great tiered freaking tray. Bam, that's that. And then I have some, what are these? Dove, what is Dove? I don't know, what is these? Oh, white chocolate, strawberries, and cream. Oh, look at that, yum. I got 2 bags of those for the other little jar. I wonder if I need anything else. Because I already have some red cups that I could, you know, kind of mix in here, like some pink ones, red ones, maybe even some white ones. And I think we're good. Do y'all want to go and set up the bar cart? I mean, why do I keep calling it a bar cart? Do y'all want to go set up the coffee bar area? Let me know. Jump freaking scare. Sorry, y'all. I'm so sorry. Oh, Auntie just woke up, okay? And if I don't turn that camera on, this camera, immediately, okay, and start talking, it will not get done. It'll be 3, 4, 5, 25 more days in between you and I seeing each other if I don't just turn it on, even looking like this. So, whatever. Okay, so we're gonna do, we're gonna put this little tray together in the kitchen, our little coffee. Oh, girl, and girl. Let me show you. Let me show you. Literally almost gave me a heart attack. Oh, I got to do better with these. Get out of here. That about gave me a heart attack, y'all. Let me turn this heat on. Anyway, here's the coffee cup I'm drinking out of right now. My Halloween coffee cup with the skull on it. Anyway, good morning. I hope you guys are having a great day. I actually was going to go live, but, and I probably still will. You know what? Let me just not say that. I hope to still go live today. But I do have some stuff I need to go do, and I probably will bring you guys with me. As the landlord and all, you know, at the farmhouse, I need to go install another toilet in the boys' room. That toilet is broke. And one other thing. Oh, I need to install a new light fixture in the kitchen at the farmhouse. This week at the farmhouse, we've been putting it off, but we really need to go ahead and paint Minx's cabinets. She has one accent wall that I think she's gonna paint. We need to tackle that. I want to see if I could also save her bathroom sink area. Our oldest daughter, before, when she was living there, I don't know if it's hair dye or what it is, but household cleaner will not clean it up. Like it's like it's embedded into the countertop area, and the paint has chipped off. So what I'm thinking is, before I rip it out and just replace the whole thing, I think I'm gonna try to sand it down, counting the sink area, the actual sink, and recoat it and then repaint it. And if not, then after I put my sweat equity in it, if I can't get it clean, then we'll just have to replace that bathroom vanity. But I do want to try that. That's this week, y'all. And I can't think of, I know a lot of you guys are waiting on waiting on the basement to be getting done over there. To be mindful of his work schedule, because he'll be the one that, you know, I'll be doing most of the work. So whenever we can kind of figure out a schedule or a good time to kind of start that process, we will, because we still have all the studs, right? So we could totally reframe it with what the studs that we have. Is that rain? Let's go see if it's raining. Oh my, it is raining. I thought I heard drops. I sure miss sitting out here all the time, every day. It's okay, it's cold. But it feels good at the same time because I think I was having a hot flash. We did sit out here the other night. We lit the fire pit and just had a good old time the other night.
Stepping out, it's Friday night. How I'm longing for this day. Yes, I'm single, oh, we want to mingle, and my friends are on the way. You got that good, good vibe. I want to spend some time back here with you. Oh, whoa. I got that good old times. You want to spend some time back here with me. Oh, whoa. And time after time, I am wondering who is she to me. I'm gonna tell you right now, 'cause she's the one I'm thinking of. Hey, the only one I'm thinking of. Hey, she's everything I'm dreaming of. Hey, the one that I can live without. Oh, that smile makes me tripping out. I wanna dance with you tonight. Yeah, you close to me, feeling good. I believe I gotta have you in my life. You got that good, good vibe. I want to spend some time back here with you. Oh, I got this good old times. You want to spend some time back here with me. Oh, oh. And time after time, I am wondering who is she to me. I'm gonna tell you right now, 'cause she's the one I'm thinking of. Hey, the only one I'm thinking of. Hey, she's everything I'm dreaming of. Hey, the one that I can live without. She's the one I'm thinking of. Hey, the only one I'm thinking of. Hey, she's everything I'm dreaming of. Hey, the one that I can live without. Can live without. Time after time,